Ever noticed airplanes never fly over Tibet? It's not a coincidence, and the real reason is terrifying. Tibet is the highest region on Earth, over 4,500 meters above sea level. At that height, the air is dangerously thin. Planes struggle to maintain lift. But here's the real problem. If cabin pressure fails, pilots must descend fast to a safe breathing altitude. But over Tibet, there is no safe altitude. Below them are massive mountains and almost no emergency airports. Add violent turbulence and jet streams, and suddenly this route becomes a nightmare. That's why planes take longer routes just to avoid this place.